Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. To model this machine component, I will start with the bottom, this plate. So these two circles I will create, then I will create this circle. From that I will connect a line by using a tangent connection. Then same thing will be mirrored by using a mirror option. Then I will extrude up to the thickness of 10 mm. Then I will create one more circle here with the same diameter of 50. Then extrude up to the length of 28. Then all the material addition features are done. Now we will go for a material removal features. Here I will create two circles with a radius of with a diameter of 12. Then I will create here they have mentioned as dia 20 counter bore. C4 is nothing but counter bore. Dia 30 deep 6. This bigger circle diameter is 30 with a deep of 6 and the smaller circle diameter is 20 throughout it. So this is, we can take it by using direct hole options. We can use the direct counter bore tool. Then finally hole of a diameter of 6 mm we just want to create. After creating this model in Creo Parametric, it will look like this. See, so this is the model we are going to create. We'll learn how to create by using a Creo Parametric. Now just go to close, go to new, part solid, untick this use default template, say OK. Our units are in mm, so go for mm part solid absolute, say OK. Switching on all the planes, I'm just to draw to easy to explain. I'm just keeping this picture left side. Now we'll create it. I'm just selecting the front plane, sketch view. Now directly we can go for a circle. So this one is the outer circle and it has a center of 35 mm from the center. This one is 35 and outer circle radius they have specified, dimension radius is 15. Go to fit screen. Then we'll create the same circle right side by click here. Come out from the come out from the dimension command, select the circle, select this mirror it. Then we just want to create a circle with a diameter of 50 at the center. This diameter is 50. Now we just want to connect these two circles by using a tangent line. Select this line somewhere here and here. This is already a tangent. Here we just want to make it tangent. Tangent connection from here to here. This is also be tangent. Then same has to be mirrored this side also. Select this line, mirror it here. Select these two lines by pressing Ctrl and select this mirror and mirror it here. Now we'll remove unwanted edges inside the circle by using a delete segment. Take this delete segments, delete these unwanted edges. This one is our model. Now just say OK. Extrude. This extrusion length is 10 mm. Symmetric by 10 mm. Say OK. Now I have created this base plate. Then I will create this solid cylinder with a diameter of 50. Select the surface, sketch view. Again take the circle, diameter is 50. Say OK. Extrude. Extrusion length is 28. Say OK. Now we have created the material addition features. Then we'll go for a material removal features one by one. Now we'll create these two holes. Select the surface, sketch view. Go to reference. Take these two circles as a reference. Then close. Now we got the center point. So this diameter is, here they have specified 2 holes of dia 12. The same has to be mirrored this side also. So select this circle, mirror, select this axis, plane. Then say OK. Go to extrude, change the direction. To next, material removal, say OK. Then select this top surface. Then we just want to create a hole here. Here they have mentioned is dia 20, counter bore, dia 30, deep 6. That means the biggest circle diameter is 30. For that we will use an option called hole. So select this hole, place it in the any one of the surface. Then press the Ctrl and place it into the axis. Now instead of simple, go to standard. Here there is an option called counter bore. Here we have to choose the screw size of 20, dia 20. Then here go to shapes. This has to be changed into 6. This bigger circle this diameter is, they mentioned as 30. And deep to next. Now you can see 36. Deep is to next. I measured. The screw size is 20. Now just say OK. Now we have created this one. Then finally we just want to create a hole of dia 6. Here select this mid plane, sketch view. Take a reference from the top, just close. Take a circle, just place it here. The circle is located 12 mm from the top. So this diameter is 12. This distance is 12 and this diameter is 6. Say OK. Now just extrude, change the direction. Material removal, say OK. Now we have created the complete model. This is our model. Now we have finished our modeling of this machine component. This way to look. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.